so tight. His attention to everything told me how special love was. His fingertips touching my skin felt just like heaven on earth. And every time that we locked eyes, both of us became paralyzed. And that's when I realized nothing could separate us. And although I keep trying to replace you, no love compares